Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing today? Are you feeling good? I hope so. Well, I'm fine and I'm still at home and I assume that you are at home as well. A new day means a new calendar and I need your help because today is a special day. First of all, who can tell me what day is it today? Is today Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday? What day is it today? Today it is... Oh, my pencil stopped working. Let's try this one. Today it is... Wednesday. Yesterday it was... What day was it yesterday? If today is Wednesday. Yesterday it was Tuesday. If you said Tuesday, you did great. Good. Today is Wednesday and today is special because we have to change something in the calendar. Because yesterday it was 31st of March. Means that today it is a new month. Do you know the name of the month that comes after March? Let's see. January, February, March, April, June, July, and so on. Did you hear it? January, February, March, April, June. April. We are in April. It's not March anymore. We are in April. Isn't that nice? Is there someone in the classroom? Is it your birthday in April probably? Let's find out. It's the first day of April, so we have to write it as April 1st. If we change the months, do we also have to change the year? Yesterday we were in 2020 and today we are still in 2020. We only change the year when it's the end of the year, the end of December. Then we will change the year, but we're not there yet. So today is Wednesday, April 1st of 2020. How is the season? Are we in summer, winter, spring, autumn? How is the season? We are still in autumn. Can you check outside how the weather looks today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it partly cloudy? It's up to you. I think it's sunny because I can see through my window that it's very sunny, but maybe you live somewhere else and maybe it is cloudy. So you have to check. Good. Today is a new day and that means that we will have to start with the spelling words. Today you are going to do that by yourselves because we've done this so many times now. So what you're going to do is you get your spelling form, you're going to read the word, you're going to say the word out loud and you're going to write it down twice. Today is Wednesday, so you have to write it down in the Wednesday square, yeah? So write down the words twice and once you've done that, you will come back to me. So pause the video, do your spelling form and then you will come back. Got it? Very good. So, if you've done your spelling form, we're going to start with an activity from the spelling book. And we're going to do page 20 and 21. Because we are talking about the R sound. R. Can you say that? R. R. A. R. R. So we don't say it as A, or something like that. It's an R sound. The words come together and make a new sound. Do you know some words with the R sound? Do you know some? Can you think of some words with the R sound? Maybe you've seen them on your spelling form. Maybe you've heard it before. Who knows some words with the R sound? I know a word. Do you know what it says? K, R. Remember, those two letters make a sound together. K, R. Car. That is a word with the R sound. Another one. Park. A park. Do you see that the word park also have the R sound? Another one. A shark. Shark. Do you see that it has the same R sound? Say it out loud. Say shark. Another word. Dark. The word dark also has the R sound, right? Now let's see, because in the word book we'll find more words with the R sound, I think, and we can write them down on the board, don't you think? So, how do you spell words with the letter string R? Like car and start. Start. Another one. Start. Start. The sound made by these letters R is the alphabet name R. You see, R, R. As in car. Getting started. Are you ready? Do you have your worksheet? If you don't have it, you can just listen to my instruction and you can write it down on a blank sheet or in your notebook. So we're going to see what it is, and then we are going to write down the word. So let's see, what is on the first image? What do you see over there? Can you see it? I hope you can see it. What is that? How is it called, this place where you go sometimes where you can play with friends or where you can make a picnic? We've talked about this word before. It is a park. A park. There it is. So the first word is park. It's already there, so you don't need to write it, but just read it so that you can understand the sound. What do you see on the second image? What do you see over there? What is that? Is that a bicycle? Is that a motor? It is a car. A car. So now you have to write down the word car under this image. So on this line you will write down the word car. So the next one, what is this? That is a star. A star. A star in the sky at night. Sometimes when it's really dark you can see the moon and you can see some stars. I really like stars. I have lots of stars in my house and in my, sometimes I wear t-shirts with stars. Maybe you've seen it before, right? Okay, the next one. What is this? That is a jar. A jar. What is that? A jar? You can put something in it, for example, food or no, pencils maybe. I don't know what you put in jars. You can put many things in jars. So you're going to continue all of these once you know how to do it. So you're going to see what's on the image and then you will write the word there. Good? Then we will continue with the next page that says add letters to make words. So you will have to see what's written over there and you have to add some letters so you can make new words. For example, here it says R. Which letter can you add to R to make a new word, for example? You can add the G, so you can make the word jar. You can add the C, so that you can write car. I don't know, we don't have more examples here, but I'm sure that you know more examples. Number 2 says art. Art. Which letters can we add so that we will have a word with art? For example, here you can see it, art. We can add the S and the T so that we will have start. Start, for example, and you can make more words, of course. So you will complete all of these ones. Once you've done that, you'll continue with the next one. It says, use the clues to work out the words. Circle the letters that make the R sound in each word. So the first one, you need to guess what it is. A round pastry case with a fruit filling. What is that? A round pastry case with a fruit filling. It is a tart. And where do you hear the R sound in tart? If you hear it and where you hear it, you have to circle it. The next one, you know this one, we've just talked about it. The third month of the year. The third month of the year. We have January, that is the first month. February is the second month. And then comes March. March. March is the third month of the year. It's a difficult one because it has another sound in it. Arch. March. A thick covering for a floor, often made of wool. What is that? A thick covering for a floor, often made of wool. It's this thing that you put on the floor, maybe in front of a couch. I am standing on one at this moment. It is like a wool or like another kind of material, and you put it on the floor and it keeps you warm in winter. You can even sit on it sometimes to read a book, for example, or whatever you wish for. It is a, who knows what it is? A carpet. A carpet. A place where people buy and sell things. Who remembers? A place where people buy and sell some things. Where you go sometimes if you need to buy, I don't know, fruits or vegetables or meat or things like that. Where you have to go? To a market. Market. Do you hear the R sound in market? Okay, so you have to write down the word and circle the R sound. A land next to a house where people can grow things. Maybe when you live in a house or even on a balcony, you can have a small one. It's a place where you can plant seeds, for example, or where you can plant, I don't know, little trees or other kinds of plants or flowers. You do that in your bedroom or in the kitchen, or do you do that in your garden? You do it in your garden. Garden. That's where you do that. Well, the last one you have to do it by yourself. I'm sure that you can do that. And that's it for the spelling today. So now we will continue with the next activity. I'll see you there.